Hi everyone, I'm Miss Elizabeth and I'm a teacher at home, and today we're going to do a lesson on buildings and we're going to work on our language. So what we're going to do today is we're going to make different buildings out of different words. So the materials we used are blocks, tape, paper, and a marker, and you can use any kind of writing utensil or paper and any kind of things you can put paper on to make a building. So we're going to do 4 different words today. We're going to start with small, we're going to do tall, short, and long. Those are 4 different kinds of buildings that you can build. So let's start with the word small. Can you tell me what small begins with? S. Perfect. Let's look for an S in some of these blocks here. Is this an S? It is, so that's the beginning of our word small. Then we're going to look for an M. Here's our M. Then we're going to look for an A. Here's our A. And then we're going to look for 2 L's together. Can you find the L's? Is this our L? Perfect, and one more. L makes the word small. S-M-A-L-L. Perfect, that's our first building, our small building. Then we're going to make a tall building. Can anyone tell me what tall starts with? T, perfect. Let's look for a T and all of the rest of our blocks left. T, T, T. Is this our T? Perfect. Can you find the A that goes with our T? There we go, T, A. And then just like small, we're going to look for 2 L's to follow. Here it is, and where's the other one? Right there. So that's how we made our tall building. T-A-L-L. Now we're going to make a short building. Can you tell me what short begins with? S. Perfect. Let's find an S, but it's a different kind of shape this time. Let's look for our triangle. There we go, an S. And then we're going to look for an H. Is this the H? It is. Then we're going to look for an O. Is this our O? No. Is this our O? Nope. Is that our O? Yes. Let's look for the R. There's our R. And then it ends with a T. Here's our T. So here's our short building. S-H-O-R-T. Short. And our last one we're going to do is our long building. Who knows what long begins with? L. Perfect. Let's find our L. No L. No L. Is this our L? It is, and we're going to make a really long building like this. So we're going to look for the O. Is this our O? It is. Perfect. So there's our L and our O. Now we're going to find the N. Is this our N? No. How about this one? Yes. N, and then we're going to find a G. Our last block is our G. Long. L-O-N-G. That's our words for today. So we made 4 different buildings. We made a small one, a tall one, a short one, and a long one. Thank you for helping me today, and please at home make all the buildings you can out of anything. They're exciting. We can use boxes and blocks, and we miss you and we hope you're doing well, and if you'd like to, send us some pictures of your creations. Keep on learning at home. Bye.